So we ripped off the cladding for the stairs and now we've got this raw concrete look. These are the house stairs. Solid to walk on, they were actually after half a day. Very good. And we've got to get rid of the rest of this. But first we've got to get all this, the supports out and the supports for the cellar stairs. That all has to go then. And then we've got to get everything else out, all of the supports, all of the wood, all of everything. And that's going to be a job this week. Our temporary surface is now in. The drainage pipes are in. The power and water are in. And our team from Kaiser are getting ready to leave us today until we need them again in a couple of weeks. But yeah, it's been really quick. It's been good. The guys have been great. We're very happy with the progress. Good to work with. Another sunny day in paradise. So, temporary surface is in place. Not quite up to the red line, which is the line for the level of the earth will be when we've got this all paved and everything. Whew. The cellar window wells are looking deep and they don't let much light in. Well, I guess that's the disadvantage of an underground window. But the house itself, we're just clearing it out now, and it's looking pretty good. I have to get the boards off the stairs this week coming, but I'll show you in here. We're already done, just a couple of supports just in case. Not sure what that would help if anything did collapse, but and in here too. Clean update.